Alright guys, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. As a matter of fact, if today is your first time coming here, I say a very big welcome to you because we've got all it takes for you about skincare and all that products. You know what I mean? Now today I want to show you all the whitening lotions that I know they are perfect and have similarities, and not just that alone, and how you can use them with one particular oil or two particular oil. Which first of all, I'm going to show you the oils, which is this Vid Gold 3-in-1. This is a treatment oil, so it always go with all lotion. When I mean all lotion, I didn't tell you that this lotion, oh, I'm talking about this lotion because it's a whitening or is it whitening or is it glowing. No, I'm telling you because it's a treatment oil and how you can affiliate it with all lotions. All right, and I was still going to talk about this AHA, AHA, because it's original and it's antioxidant, and not only that, the same time it works very perfect. And I mean, it lightens all dark spots and also. So quick one, let's dive into the lotion. And my number one lotion I want to talk about is this Filipino injection. Look at it proper. You know, most of us, we know about this Filipino injection and it's original. Y'all can see it. You see it now? You see. It's original because a lot of people lately, they be requesting it. Please, I need this, I need this, I need it. And can you talk about it? And that is why I'm just doing this randomly. And I have about 8 to 9 lotions that I want to talk about. This is one of original whitening lotion. I know that when you use it, first of all, the first 2 weeks is gonna lighten it, and when you're using it constantly, you get white. This Filipino injection is just similar to that glutathione injection, also similar because I have it here, so I'm going to show you the same way. This is very effective. That's why also they're very expensive. The same way this is very effective. Also that glutathione injection is very effective. So it's either ways, either you use this or you use this one. So you see both of them, so you can see that both of them, I'm telling you, is the same. So it's the same in character wise, it's the same, every bit of it is the same. For those of you who say, oh, this doesn't whiten me, use this will whiten me. For those of you who say this doesn't whiten me, use this. It's just the same. I don't know if they are the same company that produce them, but it's the same thing that it works on. I use them to promise, and I see maximum effectiveness 100%. When I say 100, they give me their 100% and no side effect. The only way that you see side effect, mostly this one, the only way you see side effect, you will just know. Let me give you this, a big secret also. This one, they have the fake one most so rampant now, and how did it goes? It's not make color. The original one inside of it is make color. This one, the original one is make color, but these days they are just made of white. Even from the bottle, you will see how fake it is. That when you see it, because it just light, but that one have this thick texture in it. So, and inside is make color, not white lotion. The lotion is make. Are you getting it? So that's how you know this one, the original or the fake. So the both of them, they are the same, but I've just talked about two now. So have that in mind that this is original. And when you using them with the oil, I've just showed you, I talked about earlier, which is the Vid Gold 3-in-1 treatment oil. Just use it with it, because the reason is that in as much they have their own SPF, or they have their own UV, or they have their own antioxidant, or if they are they protect you from any side effect. I just want to tell you that lotion, that oil, that Vid Gold 3-in-1 is awesome. So it contains every side effect, and take them off, because it's a treatment oil. Are you getting it? So like when you adding a treatment oil to the lotion already, so if there is gonna be any after effect on it, that which is side effect, By then you put the treatment oil, put like 50% of it and mix very well. You see that it must have neutralized every damn uh 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 every damn side effect in it. Right? So quick one, let me go to my number 3 and number 4. Now, this number 3 and number 4, I want to show you this Egyptian. No, first before Egyptian, I want to show you this skin doctor. This skin doctor. I don't know if you've seen this before. This skin doctor, and I want to show you this one again. Another one, diamond uh, deep white. This diamond deep white. All right. These two lotion, they are still just almost the same. All right, this one, in fact, this one is like this like a pure Egyptian. You know, we have this a pure Egyptian lotion. I will show you again, and this one. So they are almost the same. They are very very effective. Yes, they're very, very effective because I used to promise with this to my Canadian friends, and then, oh, I love this lotion you do talk about. I love this lotion you do use to promise for me. Is this what you use? I say yes, because it's very, very effective. And they say sometimes say, okay, send it to me, like let me use. And because sometimes before I use this, I was using this, and I see the awesomeness. I say, okay, let me include this. So I promise both of them, and I see how they work. And sometimes I just send them to her like that. Okay, you use, yes, you use, and slow the other one down because maybe she's getting excess white, and okay, so just use the raw one like this because it's not promised. So at least it's not going to be fast like that, because that one is the one I sent to her is customized, right? So like just use this one like this. And funny enough, this one is ultra. This one have ultra radius. So okay, let me quickly look at, yes, ultra radius whitening lotion. You see, for face and body. That's what I've been trying to tell you guys, for face and body. So that is why she love it so much, for face and body. Doesn't mean it's gonna have no. There's already SPF 100, like 1,000, in fact like a million SPF in it. Like no sunburn. It's not gonna give you sunburn. It's not gonna give you any side effect. If it give you any side effect, know that from your previous lotion, you got that already, not this lotion. So if you say, is that lotion? I will say, it's not the lotion. All right. There are some lotions that you use, and you will see some skin. Your skin will be, instead of your skin to look fresh, your skin turns wrinkled. Your skin have some bubble gums, like some things that don't look like ringworms, out of it, like, all that is just because that when you cross a lotion and you don't follow the right formula or the right usage, how you're supposed to use it, you will have those side effects. So before you cross, maybe you want to try all this before you cross the lotion, before you want to say, okay, I want to switch a lotion. What I advise you to do is this. What you do is just easy. Discontinue that lotion for a month. Don't feel like I gonna be dark. You were already dark already. You only tone up. So I mean, you nervous about it? No, 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 no. Just give yourself a break and switch, and be safe and sound with your switching. Other than that, before you know, if you switch wrongly, and then you before you see that, you might just find out that you'll be having some. Those, not everybody. So people switch without no unforgiving discontinue. They just switch a lotion. You understand? But my best advice to tell you guys that switch, you know, gently. Let it be some days pass away before you use the other new lotion. So like, I'm not going into details what it be made of or what it contains and all that. I didn't go details all about that. What I'm just telling you, the beautiful and the wholesomeness of these lotions, that's what we're talking about right now. And without if they have any side effect or not. So like, that's what we're checking out. That's the review we're working at. Not going in details. They've been made with cream base, they've been made with kojic acid. No, we didn't set anything of that. So then again, before you use them, like I said, always have this in mind. It's either you put your AHA or you put your vitamin, your Vit Gold, a 3-in-1 treatment body oil. You put it, and it controls all the rest of it is history. Okay, so I might just want to show you other ones that I know, like I've talked about before, and you want to see, this is the papaya type of pure Egyptian, magic whitening and liquors. Bam, bingo. Now these lotions are 100% that I can vouch for, that this lotion, they are lotion that I've tested, I've used. They are 100% pure. Unless if it's fake. If it's fake, the problem is it's just for you to just discontinue it after you see side effect when it's fake. But if it's not fake, just keep going. Keep going. Are you getting it? Would they give you knuckles? Would they give you any white patches? Would they give you? I would tell you 100% again. No, they won't give you. But if they are fake, they will give you more than that. If they are fake, they will even give you lakba, eczema, gorimakba. They will give you all that. But if they are not fake, 100% I give to you. All you just have to do, mix with a safe and sound oil, a treatment oil. That is it. It's the secret I'm giving to you. If you've gotten a better lotion, what you just control it with safe and sound oil. That's why I recommend any of the vid good for you, but I recommend that 3-in-1, which is that treatment body oil. So please, 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 guys, I told you I'm not in here to tell you what it contains right now, because there's no time for that. This video is lengthy already, but I just said something about 6 lotions now, and I will be going to the next ones. Look at them. Don't fake it. Look at them. Look at the name. Don't fake it. Look at the name. All right. So that is that. And now let's quickly do this one more time. So this is the last one. Whoops. I've talked about this some time ago. This Q7. Yes, this Q7. I've talked about this Q7 some time ago. So like, this Q7 lotion is one lotion I know that it works a lot and people buy it from me. And I use it to promise also. So if you know that you'll be using it and it's good for you, continue. Don't discontinue it. Don't say because you're somebody, your friend, because that is how it started. Have you tried this lotion before? Why not you tell them about your own? Okay, my friend told me about this lotion and I think it's more better than. Hey, what is wrong with you with this lotion? You've been using this lotion for some while now. Hey, come on, go ahead with this lotion you'll be using and stop. I mean, going around about listening to people, their lotion's good for them, and why are you switching? Why are you switching? I'm just asking, why are you switching? So you might just want to stick to what you got and is best working for you, because by the time the rot of you switching come to you, you're not gonna like it. Trust me, it's just nature. These people that did all this formula, put them together for you, they know what they did. It's not, they didn't tell you that, oh well, after using to some extent you switch. Even if you want to switch, you switch gradually. You discontinue me and switch to another. Not once, just at least give a month. Let a month pass by. Because you just tune yourself. Like, the difference between toning and people who burnt themselves, with oil, is that this one, like, it's not over up to the first layer. All right, so like, you just toning it just gradually, like the top of your skin. I don't want to go into details, like I said. So, but people who burn themselves, like, so it burn it to like up to 3rd-degree burn. So you know what I mean. So that's just the difference between you toning. Yes. So I will always advise you that. So if you switch carefully, because I know somebody who switch is not it. He did just get the side effect. The side effect was just much, like it looked like someone who got burnt. All right, so please, this lotion is good. If you're using it from any of the corner you're using it, is good. So now I want to show you about this also. This skin doctor. uh I know a lot of you know about this product as well. You use it as well. You use it, and I will always advise, if you're using it, use it. It's a very nice one. We have the other one. We have about 4 other types, but I think this one is one of the best I appreciate also. Somebody placed order on this for 6 carton yesterday, and I say, okay, let me just use this medium of time to include this and talk about. So for those of you who using it, it's very good. Keep using it. All right, let me show you this oil. I will tell you once again. Let's do a recap on two. Like what I'll be telling you. If you using this, fine, is nice. So if you all of the lotion I said you can mix with this, just mix with this, it will go a long way for you. And if you're switching, switch perfectly, switch in the right way. All right. So I remain on the global cosmetic and skincare, and we've got a lot of content to show you. So in here you can study and get the right choice, make the right choice. All right. You don't need to go to university, all that, before you know all these things. But don't forget, just don't forget that, right? Christmas sales still on ground, so y'all can really place your order now. All right, and the likes of Yellow CC, Irish Gold, Blend Pro 9, Blema Oil, Malawi Oil, Dubai Whitening Crude Chemical. We have all that, which are really not. I don't go by things that I invoke, right? But I go by the things that are original and evergreen. They last long and they are all perfect. So I will always advise you stick to us. Now we ship everywhere, worldwide. That's what we do, right? You know what I mean? So all you need to do, just click on the notification button for you to see more of our videos when we upload new videos. And once again, I tell you that yes, we train also. Y'all can register with us, via any platform. We can train you. Also, we train people, and the perfect to when you got your results, that yes, I'm good. That's our contract. It's a contract, all right? So you just register with us and then we give you a contract. How the contract works till when you know that you are done, all right? But don't forget, I'm on you. So that is us for you. Bye-bye.